Tararam tum taram. Hello guys, I'm Nicolina.
And I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sarah too.
And I'm Clara.
We're gonna present you something about social networks.
Social networks are
Formspring,
Twitter,
YouTube,
Facebook.
We're gonna say some good and some bad sides about social networks.
good sites are
We can find out some important information.
We can chat with our friends.
we can listen to music,
We can meet somebody.
We can see each other with camera.
We can talk for free.
we can watch films,
We can show our pictures.
But there are bad sides too.
and bad sites are
Everybody can see our information.
fake profiles,
We can fall behind in school.
Social networks are good, but if we're using them too much, they can damage our brain, mind, and eyes. We'll do some anket for you.
And you just have to circle yes, no, or both.
And question is, are social networks good or not?
You decide.
It's your turn. Come on, guys, vote.
Oh my
Are
god,
you
what
hearing
is that?
something? I hear something, and you? What is that? Oh my gosh, Granny! What?
I'm surfing!
You're surfing! Oh my god, Granny, it's enough! And that's all from us. Bye!